everyone, welcome back. I'm Nandini. Today I'm going to discuss about how to create a database under the subject database management system. So let us see what is database. A database is an organized collection of data stored in a computer system and usually controlled by a database management system, that is DBMS. The data in common databases is modeled in tables, making querying and processing efficient. Structured query language, that is SQL, is commonly used for data querying and writing. The database is an essential part of our life. We can encounter several activities that involve our interaction with databases, for example, in the bank, in the railway station, in school, in a grocery store, etc. These are the instances where we need to store a large amount of data in one place and fetch this data easily. So let us see some of the applications like company information, account information, manufacturing, banking, finance transactions, and telecommunications, etc. Relational database. A relational database is made up of a set of tables with data that fits into a predefined category. Distributed database. A distributed database is a database in which portions of the database are stored in multiple physical locations and in which processing is dispersed or replicated among different points in the network. Cloud database. A cloud database is a database that typically runs on a cloud computing platform. And database service provides access to the database. Database services make the underlying software stock transparent to the user. These interactions are examples of a traditional database where data is one of the type that is textual. In advancement of technology has led to the new applications of database systems. New media technology has made it possible to store the images, video clips, and these essential features are making multimedia databases. So, what is database management system? That is collection of interrelated data and set of programs to access data. For example, MySQL, Oracle, and etc. An interface for operations like creation, deletion, modification, etc. is provided by DBMS. DBMS allows the user to create their databases as per their requirement. DBMS accepts the request from the application and provides specific data through the operating system. DBMS continue a group of programs that acts according to the user's interaction, and it provides security to the database. And a DBMS enables user to create the and manage the database. It helps the user to create, read, update, and delete the data in the database. And it also assists the logging and editing functions. And the DBMS provides physical and logical independence from data. Users and applications do not need to know either the physical or logical locations of data. A DBMS can also limit the control access to the database and provides different views to the same database schema to multiple users. And some of the advantages of DBMS are there are some following reasons to learn the DBMS. Let us know the reasons one by one. Organizing and management of data. DBMS helps in managing large amounts of data in the organized manner, and it provides features like create, edit, delete, and read. Data security. DBMS provides security to the data from the unauthorized person. Improved decision making. From stored data in the database, we can generate graphs, reports, and many visualizations, which helps in decision making. And the next one is a consistency. In the traditional database model, all things are manual or inconsistent, but DBMS enables to automation of the operation by queries. So let us learn the how to create a database on the Cloud SQL instance. In the Google Cloud Console, go to the Cloud SQL Instances page and go to the Cloud SQL Instances. To open the overview page of an instance, click the instance name and select the databases from the SQL navigation menu. Click Create Database, and in the New Database dialog, specify the name of the database, and last click the Create a list of your databases in the Google Cloud Console. To the Cloud SQL Instances page, go to Cloud SQL Instances. To open the overview page of an instance, click the instance name and click Databases from the left side menu. The databases page lists databases along with their collation type, character set, and the database type. And next, let us know how to delete a database. In the Google Cloud Console, go to the Cloud SQL Instances page and go to Cloud SQL Instances. To open the review page of an instance, click the instance name and click databases from the left side menu. And in the data list, find the database you want to delete and click on the trash can icon. And in the delete database dialog box, enter the name of the database and then click delete option. SQL create database statement. The SQL create database statement is the create database statement is used to create a new SQL database. Let us see the syntax. Create database name, and create database example. The following SQL statement creates a database called testdb. For example, create database testdb. And this is a simple table companies with different columns. Create table companies, that is id int, name voucher, address text, email variant character, phone variant character, etc. And next, let us see how to create a college database. Here is a simple example for the college database. We can see how to create the college database by using the students, courses, and enrollment. So let us see the what each table defines and what each table contains in the college database. In this example college database provided, we can see the three main tables, that is students, courses, and enrollment. Let us see what it contains. In the student table, this table stores the information about each student columns that contains student ID, first name, last name, birth date, email, etc. Next is a courses table. This table contains details about the courses offered at the college, and it contains the course columns, course ID, course name, department, and credits. And next is the enrollment table. This table represents the enrollment of students in courses table. Enrollment ID, a unique identifier for each enrollment record, is primary key. Student ID, foreign key, referencing the student table, indicating the student enrolled, that is foreign key. That contains the course ID and enrollment date and grade. The enrollment table establishes relationship between the students and the courses table through the student ID and course ID foreign keys. And next, each record in the enrollment table corresponds to the student being enrolled in a specific course. The student ID foreign key is the enrollment table, references the student ID primary key in the students table. The course ID foreign key is in the enrollment table, references the course ID primary key in the courses table. Next is a sample data. The sample data includes two students, that is John Doe and John Smith, are the two courses. Both students are enrolled in at least one course, and the enrollment table captures the grades they received. This database structure allows you to track information about the students, courses, and their enrollment details, making it useful for managing student records and academic information in the college setting. At last, when we come to the conclusion that this database structure provides a comprehensive representation of a college environment, capturing key entities such as students, courses, instructors, and departments. And relationships between tables are established using foreign keys, allowing their efficient data retrieval and maintaining data integrity. The inclusion of the instructors and departments tables adds depth to the database, enabling and tracking of instructor, their respective departments, and their roles in course enrollments. This example serves as a foundation for a relational database design that can be expanded and customized based on the specific requirements and additional features needed for a college management system. Further improvements and optimizations such as normalization, indexing, and additional constraints can be applied based on the specific needs of the college or educational institution. Thank you for watching.